Hours, minutes, and seconds are all units of time, meaning that they are specific lengths of time that can be used like other units of measurement, like feet or inches. The most common unit of time is a day. You should study the lesson on day before studying this lesson on hours, minutes, and seconds. If you divide the length of a day into 24 equal sections, the length of each section is 1 hour. So if you divide a day into 24 equal sections, the length of each section is 1 hour. And if you divide the length of 1 hour into 60 equal sections, the length of each section is 1 minute. So if this is 1 hour divided into 60 little equal sections, each section is equal to 1 minute. Similarly, if you divide the length of 1 minute into 60 equal sections, the length of each section represents 1 second. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And so you can see that a day is bigger than 1 hour, and an hour is bigger than 1 minute, and a minute is bigger than 1 second. In real life, many times you will have to convert seconds to minutes and minutes to hours. Let's look at some examples where you will learn to convert hours to minutes and seconds. So in our first example, we are asked how many minutes are in 3 hours? Well, we know that in 1 hour, there's 60 minutes. And so in order to find out how many hours or how many minutes there are in 3 hours, we need to multiply 3 times 60. So we get 3 times 60 equals 180, and our units are in minutes. So there are 180 minutes in 3 hours. Our second example asks us how many hours are in 2 days. Well, we know that 1 day is 24 hours. So in 1 day, if we have 24 hours, we need to multiply that 24 times 2 in order to find out how many hours we have in 2 days. So we do 2 times 24 to give us 48 hours. There are 24 hours in 1 day and 48 hours in 2 days. Our third question here asks us how many hours are in a week. Well, we know that 1 week equals 7 days. And so we also know that in 1 day we have 24 hours. So in order to find out how many hours are in 7 days, we need to multiply 24 times 7, or 7 times 24. And we get an answer of 168 hours in 1 week, which is 7 days. 7 times 24 equals 168 hours. So you'll need lots of practice converting different times from hours to minutes and minutes to seconds and hours to weeks and minutes. All of our conversions of time take lots of practice, but if you practice and work really hard, you'll get really good at them.